Okay, this video what we're going to do is a review and an unboxing of the Haloview 7-inch HD wired rear view system, product code MC, so Mike Charlie 7611. This product obviously has been sent to me by Haloview themselves, so obviously this video is sponsored by them. This is obviously what you get, the box. So there's the front, a QI code there if you want, some information on this side of the box, and some specifications on the bottom. So we'll remove it from its outer sleeve. I have been using this product and testing it already, so it has been opened and unpackaged. So we'll just open up the tab at the bottom and see what we get. So in the top here you have another specification sheet. I will get a photo of that and put it up for you. User's manual, very good, worth a read. Okay, so we'll remove the top layer of foam. The first thing that we come to is the monitor itself. So as you can see, a 7-inch display screen, some nice robust sturdy buttons along the bottom. It has still, this green thing is a screen protector, I've not removed that yet. Comes with a pre-wired cable with a grommet, and on the end of it is your connection. So give you a look around it. That's obviously for putting your mount on if you want to do it that way. But yeah, we'll put that out of the way. Next thing is the dash mount for it. Comes with some 3M tape on the bottom to stick it down should you need to, or it has also got pre-placed holes for putting screws through. Obviously it's nice and sturdy, it's got a good solid locking on it, so it's not going to go anywhere. We'll have more look at that in a minute. And then the next thing is the camera itself. This black bit on the bottom here is a magnetic mount, which I got ordered as well. So don't expect it to come with the magnetic mount in the box attached to it. Obviously you've got camera once again with a pre-attached grommet. Untwist the cable and your cable attachment on the bottom there. So we'll put that to another side. And then if you remove the piece that the monitor came in, underneath there is some more, so I'll put that foam out of the way. What we've got here is all your cabling wiring. It is a bit tangled because I just put it away the other day in a bit of a hurry. But first thing, your cigarette adapter can plug into either 12 volts or 24 volts. And it's got a nice on-off button on the bottom of it there, and that literally plugs in to this connector. However, if you don't want to do it that way and you want to hardwire it, you can just push these little buttons and the cable comes out. So you could hardwire it in. Put that bit out of the way. It comes with a inbuilt spade fuse, he says. I've not opened it up to check it, but I know it works. So let's sort the tangled mess out. On the end, this adapter connects to the monitor. It's just simply a case of lining up the little notch on it with the notch in here, but it also has, I don't know if you can pick it up, Probably not. Just here and here there are 2 arrows pointing, so as long as they're facing each other, that's it. Clicks in, done. Okay, so up the other end of it. Looks like a lot of jumbled mess, but it's actually really simple and really user friendly. So the first 2 we have are obviously the power ones, the red and black, and they are nicely, see if I can show you, labelled up, so you know what you're playing with. So we'll get those out of the way. Next ones. There are 3 separate wires like this, and these are the triggers for the cameras. So obviously if you want to trigger it for when it's reversing, connect that one, and likewise with those 2. So we'll move them out of the way. Next, you've got 3 separate ones. Camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. So you can plug in the cameras should you need to. So we'll take camera 1, which is the white one, and the connection from our camera. Same again, line up the notches, but they also have these nifty little, I'm hoping you lot can pick that up, nifty little arrows on them. You line the arrows up, push them in, screw the connection over. Done. And then it has a nice little waterproof sheath to pull down over to make the whole system waterproof, watertight. So we'll disconnect that for the time being and get the cables out of the way. What else do we have in the box? You have some locking adjustments, some nuts and bolts, and then you've got these shrouds and this one. So obviously if you wanted to mount your camera, your monitor that way, you can use that instead. And you also get an Allen key. So it all comes in there, nice and neat. It's very tidy packaging. It's very stable, secure. It's all padded perfectly, so you're not worrying about it being damaged. So for the time being, I put that box out of the way. Then what you can also get is camera extension wires. So obviously, as you can see, this camera doesn't have a very long lead, but you'll want it on the back of your vehicle. So you can get the extension cables in different sizes. This one here is 5 meters. We have a 10 meter one, and I believe they do them in 20 meters as well. And obviously the magnetic mount base came in this box. So you get a nice, robust, sturdy setup. So with your monitor, let's say that's mounted down where you want it. We'll do it this way round. Move this guy out of the way a second. On the back of your monitor, there's this slide-in channel, and all you simply do is take the flat head and slide it in, and then when you've got it where you want it, just tighten the screw up on it. There. It's as easy as that. Nice, easy to set up, dead straightforward, follow the instructions. It's very user friendly.